Postulates of Bohr's theory of hydrogen atom. These Bohr's theory consist of three postulates: postulates first, postulates second, and postulates third. Now, postulate first. This is a statement of postulate: in a hydrogen atom, an electron revolves in a circular orbit around the nucleus, and the centripetal force for the circular motion is provided by the necessary electrostatic force of attraction of positive charge of nucleus and negative charge of electron. This is the first postulate. Now the figure. M, small m be the mass of electron. Mass of electron. Now v be the, let v be the linear velocity. Linear velocity of electron. R be the radius. Radius of circular orbit, and this negative E, charge on electron. Charge on electrons. Okay, charge on electrons, and there is a positive E, charge on the nucleus. Charge on nucleus. And epsilon 0. Epsilon 0, that is the permittivity of vacuum. Permittivity of vacuum. Now this figure, that is centripetal force is equal to electrostatics force. Centripetal force is equal to electrostatics force. Okay, this is the first postulate. Now centripetal force is nothing but what? mv square upon r is equal to necessary electrostatic force 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into E square upon R square. E square upon R square. This is the postulates first. And these postulates ask the in a exam 2 marks.